How to get Freshdesk Widget. In this video, I'll show you how to get Freshdesk Widget. So to get started, go ahead and open Freshdesk into your preferred device and then sign in to your account. From here, click on that admin settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen presented by this gear icon. So once you click on that, that will take you here. Head over into the channels tab, so you'll find that in between workflow and theme. And then under the channels tab, look for widgets. Click on it. And then once you're in, you can go ahead and click on this create a new widget button to create a new widget. And then name this widget and then set the product to where you want to add this widget and then click on create. And then once this is created, you can go ahead and set up the banner message, the widget launcher text, the contact form, such as if it's a simple contact form or is it for a ticketing contact form. And then you can also set the forms that can be accessed if it is for ticket fields. You can set the form confirmation message, allow customers to screenshot your form, allow reCAPTCHA, and then once you're done with all of this, you can go ahead and save it at the bottom left of your screen. And that is how you can basically get Freshdesk Widget. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.